Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Indeed in Gmail. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to remove Indeed in your Gmail, you need to first go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In your profile settings page, you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the given menu, choose the option settings. Tap on it. Once you're in your settings page, you can see the communication settings option. Select that. Now here you can see the email option. Tap on it. In this page, you can choose to unsubscribe the Indeed email so that you will no longer receive emails from Indeed. If you scroll down, here you can see the additional emails option. So in order to stop receiving emails from Indeed, you need to uncheck all of these options. You can uncheck all these options, and here you can see unsubscribe from all commercial emails option. Tap on it. And there you go, you have successfully unsubscribed from all the emails from Indeed. So that's how you can remove Indeed in Gmail. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.